Introducing the complete premium digital denture solution by Formlabs Dental. Premium Teeth Resin for lifelike denture teeth. And now, Denture Base Resin V2 for impact-resistant, long-term denture bases. Lifelike, adaptive aesthetics. 3 lifelike shades with optimal translucency. Long-term performance, built for years of wear and many drops. Compatible with standard reline and repair materials and methods. Streamlined, validated process. An auto-dispense resin cartridge. Fully validated print settings. A 10-minute wash. And a 20-minute post-cure. Up to 50% faster end-to-end processing time than the previous generation, requiring no extra solvents. Open, flexible workflow. Engineered to bond with teeth printed with premium teeth resin and compatible with teeth that are milled, carded, or printed with other resins. Premium performance without a premium price. Available now for Form 4B and Form 4BL. The complete premium digital denture solution with Formlabs Premium Teeth Resin and Denture Base Resin V2.